Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set movies and TV shows to kids rating in content restrictions on the iPhone 12 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Screen Time. In here, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then tap on Content Restrictions. Now put in screen time passcode. And then in here, go down and tap on movies. And in movie, in the list, you got all the different rating that you can choose. So for example, if you want to don't allow movies, you can switch it, choose on that to restrict the movies from playing on the device. You can choose G, PG, M, MA15 plus, and so on. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous screen. Now, if you want to restrict TV shows, you can tap on TV shows. And here it has the same settings, so you can choose which rating for the TV shows to select. Now, swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.